Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the Testimonial section. The Cart Testimonials widget displays short customer reviews within the cart area. By showcasing real experiences from satisfied customers, you build trust and provide powerful social proof, encouraging shoppers to complete their purchase. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the Testimonial section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the Testimonial section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Professional Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the Testimonial section. To add it, click Add Section, search for Testimonial and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose which devices will display the Testimonial section: desktop, mobile, and both. Use container size to control how wide the Testimonial section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. You can select from multiple testimonials display types, each offering a different visual style and interaction behavior. Grid shows multiple testimonials in a structured layout. Carousel displays testimonials in a sliding view. Rotator automatically rotates one testimonial at a time. Cards presents testimonials in modern card-style blocks. List displays testimonials in a simple vertical list. Story shows testimonials in a narrative-style layout. In addition to display types, you can also choose between Layout 1 and Layout 2, allowing you to switch between two predefined design structures. Each layout offers a different arrangement of elements such as images, text, and metadata, helping you better align the testimonial section with your overall storefront style and branding. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Columns desktop. Choose how many testimonials to display per row on desktop devices, 1 to 6. Enable to display customer star ratings, helping build instant trust and social proof. Disable to hide the rating for a cleaner, more minimal testimonial layout. Enable to show the reviewer's profile image, adding authenticity and a human touch. Disable to remove the image for a simplified design. Enable to display decorative lines around the author name to improve visual separation and structure. Disable to keep the layout minimal and distraction-free. Enable to automatically show a default avatar when no author image is available, ensuring consistent spacing and design. Disable to leave the image area empty when no image is provided. Upload your own branded fallback avatar to maintain a consistent visual identity across all testimonials. Enable to display the reviewer's name, increasing credibility and trust. Disable to hide the name for anonymous testimonials. Enable to show the full review paragraph content. Disable to hide the text if you prefer a compact or visual-only layout. Enable to display the reviewer's job title or company name, adding authority and professional context. Disable to remove this detail for a simplified presentation. Show or hide the testimonial submission date to control transparency and layout detail level. You can choose the date format to control how the testimonial date is displayed. DD-MM-YYYY. Day first, followed by month and full year. MM-DD-YYYY. Month first, followed by day and full year. DD-MM-YY. Day first with a 2-digit year. MM-DD-YY. Month first with a 2-digit year. You can also choose the profile picture style to define how author images appear: square, rounded, and circle. Choose where the author details user data locations appear in relation to the review content. Above the review. Displays user information at the top, giving immediate context before reading the testimonial. Below the review. Places user information after the testimonial text, keeping focus on the review first. Profile content alignment. Control how the author information is aligned within the testimonial block. Left, center, and right. Review content alignment. Define how the testimonial text itself is positioned. Left, center, and right. Choose how border-rounded the testimonial container corners appear. Default. Uses the theme's standard border radius for a consistent and balanced design. Custom. 0 pixels to 22 pixels. Gives you full control over corner styling. Media position. Control the placement of visual elements like images or videos within the testimonial layout. Image first. Displays the image or media before the testimonial content, helping grab attention immediately and creating a visual-first layout. Image last. Places the image or media after the text, keeping focus on the written review and providing a more content-centered structure. Enable to show the quotation icon. Disable to hide it. Turn the quotation mark on or off depending on whether you want to visually highlight the testimonial as a quoted statement or keep the layout minimal. Enter your icon name to display the icon. Use an icon class or name to define which quotation icon style will appear in the testimonial. Upload a custom quotation image. Replace the default icon with your own image to better match your brand identity and design style. Icon position. Choose where the quotation icon appears within the testimonial layout. Left, center, and right. Icon size. Desktop. Control how large the quotation icon appears on desktop devices. Extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. Icon size. Mobile. Adjust icon size for mobile responsiveness. Extra small, small, and medium. Set the testimonial text length between 3 to 7 lines. This helps control how much content is visible by default and keeps your layout clean and consistent across testimonials. Enable Read More. Allows users to expand the testimonial and read the full review. Disable Read More. Keeps all testimonials fully expanded or restricts interaction for a simpler layout. Choose a button style that complements your store's design. Available styles include Link, Default, Solid, and Outline. Select a button size to control its visual impact and prominence. Available sizes include Inherit, Small, Medium, and Regular. Enter your custom Read More label to personalize the expansion text. Enter your custom Read Less label to define how the collapse action appears. Shadow settings. Enhance visual depth and separation of testimonial cards. Enable shadow. Adds depth to testimonials for a floating card effect. Disable it for a flat, minimal design. Shadow gradient color. Choose the color tone of the shadow effect to match your branding. Shadow gradient height. 0% to 40%. Controls the intensity and spread of the shadow for subtle or bold depth effects. Under Enable Slider, you can choose where the testimonials will be displayed. Both devices' slider will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere, effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider scrolls automatically. Adjust the autoplay speed to control how fast it moves. Enable Loop to make the slider continuously cycle. Show Dots enables navigation dots below the slider for easy slide switching. Show Arrows enables left and right arrows for smooth navigation between slides. For styling, select Arrow Color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Use Arrow Position to control where the navigation arrows appear. Middle. Arrows appear on the center left and center right sides of the slider. Bottom. Arrows appear lower on the slider area, aligned toward the bottom. Block color and color scheme settings. For styling, you can customize how the testimonial block blends with your store's overall design. Inherit. Uses your theme's default color settings to ensure a consistent and unified look across your storefront. Custom. Allows you to define your own color settings for the testimonial block, giving you full control to match your branding, highlight sections, or create contrast. You can also choose a default color scheme to quickly apply a pre-designed palette. This provides complete design control while maintaining visual harmony across your store's sections. Match the Testimonials section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as Advanced Double Button, Caption, Description, Double Button, Icon, Icon with Text, Image, Single Button, Subtitle, and Title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add block and select the testimonial block to start adding customer reviews to your section. You can set the star rating 1 to 5 to represent customer satisfaction and highlight the strength of each review. You can upload a testimonial image to visually support the review. You can select a video to make the testimonial more engaging and dynamic. You can also add a video link if the content is hosted externally. Enable Video Autoplay. The video will play automatically when the section loads. Disable it to stop autoplay. Enable Video Mute. The video will play without sound. Disable it to allow audio playback. Enter the testimonial text to display the customer's feedback. Add the date to show when the review is submitted. Enter the profession to provide context and credibility. Upload the author's image to personalize the testimonial. Enter the author's name to identify the reviewer. Paste a testimonial link to direct users to the original source or reference page. And that's it. Your testimonial section is now ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.